Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix location settings is grayed out in your Windows machine. Now, there are a couple of steps which you could try to get this issue resolved. Now, the first step is to go ahead and restart your geolocation services. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you will have to go ahead and type services.msc and then click on OK. This should open the services window. Once you're on the services window, you will have to go ahead and locate for geolocation services. It would be in alphabetical order. You will have to do a right click and then click on properties and make sure the startup type is being set to automatic, and then click on apply. And at the same time, make sure the services status is running. In case if it is not running, you might want to go ahead and click on start, click on apply, and then click on OK. Close this window and then check your location services and see if it is enabled. In case if it is enabled, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step is to go ahead and modify the registry settings. To do this, you will have to open the registry editor by doing a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type regedit. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Now please note, before you proceed these steps, make sure you back up your registry before proceeding. And in case if you're not able to back up, make sure you follow the steps correctly. In case if you don't follow the steps and if you delete any incorrect registry, there are chances that your computer might go to a no boot or it may not function properly. Now once you're on the registry editor, you will have to go ahead and navigate to HKey local machine. You can click on the triangle and that should expand HKey local machine. Under HKey local machine, you will have to go ahead and expand system. Under system, you will have to go ahead and locate for CurrentControlSet, expand CurrentControlSet, and then locate for services, expand services. Under services, you would have to locate for lfsvc. Once you locate lfsvc, you will have to go ahead and expand TriggerInfo. Under TriggerInfo, all you have to do is you will have to highlight the key which says the number 3 with the folder registry. All you have to do is you will have to do a right click and then click on delete and then click on yes. Close the registry editor, restart your computer and check if you are able to enable the location services. You can go ahead and do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings, you may go ahead and click on privacy and security and then click on location. You should be able to enable or disable the location services in your Windows. Now, in spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, the next step, what you could do is you can go ahead and install the updates for your computer. Make sure all the updates are installed. So you can do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings, you may go ahead and click on Windows Update. Check if there are any updates to be installed on the computer. In case if there are any updates to be installed, go ahead and install those updates. Close this window, restart your computer, and that should fix the problem. So in spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.